Hey there guys, it is Genius in Motion here with a new tutorial, and today we're going to be making a bank. Yep, a bank. This is a request by somebody whose username completely passes me by, and I have tried making this tutorial about 5 times now, and if it doesn't work this time around, I'm not going to bother, because this thing was a headache to work out in its own, and up to yet this tutorial has been a headache in its own, so yeah, this is the last time I'm going to really attempt to do it. So what you want to do is, one thing, if you are making this into a project that you're doing, into a game, do it now. Don't follow this on a separate project, do the actual project that you want to make it on now. Implement it straight into your game, and I'll explain why. We're going to be using variables in this. Variables which, once set, don't move, because it will mess up the rest of the coding, and will possibly mess the entire game up after that. Okay, so go ahead and do that now. What we're going to do is make a new event, put a graphic in for the bank guy. We only want the one page, so you don't need to worry about anything like that. Come to control variables, and we're going to set 4 new variables. What you want to do is get like a piece of pen and paper and just remember which number you'd put these down at. So if you've got, like, for say, you've already got 9 variables implanted in, you want to remember that 10 is equal to this variable, 11 is this, 12 is this, 13 is this. We're going to use 4 variables today. Okay, so we're going to name the 4. I've got a little cheat sheet next to me so I don't forget anything. We're going to name the 4 cash in hand. Go to the second one. Cash in bank. Go to the third. Deposit. Go to the fourth. Withdraw. Oh, it's not even. Withdraw. Okay, we're going to apply those so those 4 stay in place. Now, write down on a bit of paper. Sorry if you hear the microphone moving, I'm not very comfortable today. Write down those 4. Write cash in hand, and then what number it relates to, then what number cash in bank relates to, what number deposit relates to, and what number withdrawal relates to. If it's like 16, 17, 18, 19, whatever. Don't forget what number it is, because you're going to need them. Click on OK, then cancel, because you don't want to do anything with the variables just yet. Okay, so here what you want to do is type in show text, and let's actually start making the bank. So we're going to put welcome to the bank. Whoops. How may I help you? Click on OK. I'm not going to bother with face graphics, but remember, you have to do those or else they'll look daft. Going to put in insert, and now we're actually going to set a variable. Put control variables, then use the variable cash in hand, set other gold. Now what this will do is it will set the amount of gold that you've got, well, the value of the amount of gold that you've got in your hand into this variable. So this variable's got something to work on. And now you're going to add the choices, which is withdraw. Sorry if I'm spelling these wrong, make sure you check these correctly. Deposit. Balance. And leave. Set the when cancel to choice 4, click on OK. Now we're actually going to do a little bit of coding. Well, it's not really coding, it's more work with variables. On the when withdraw, click insert. Now we're going to start completely from a fresh look point, because this is where things get a little bit difficult. So let me just calm down. Okay, what you want to do is click on label. We want to make a label for this, and we're going to call it withdraw. What this is going to do is when you jump to this label, it'll jump back to when the label has been named. So anything that comes after this, if we put jump to label there, it'll jump right back to the beginning and go through all this again. It's a really good menu system. So now we're going to put in the text. How much do you wish to withdraw? Question mark. Okay, I'm going to do insert input number. Okay, click on the down bar here, select the variable withdraw, and set the digits to 6. Click on OK, so that'll allow them to go up to 100,000 or 900,000, 999,999 if you have to, but it won't let them go any higher than that. So after this, we're going to click on insert, show text, and we're going to do you want to withdraw. Now, this is where a bit of coding comes in. What we've done there is we're going to set the variable withdraw to that, with that amount of digits. So whatever you import is going to be put into withdraw. Is going to be set to that. Now what we're going to do, this is why I've told you to do everything now. Okay, we're going to click backslash, remember it's that slash, v, which calls upon a variable, square, open bracket, and we want to put in the number of the variable for withdraw, which is, in my case, 4. In your case, it could be something different. Close bracket. Okay? So make sure you know, if you should know what I mean by that. The variable number that you set withdraw to, it'll be found on there. Put that number in the middle of these square brackets. Okay, click on OK. OK. Now we're going to insert a choice, yes or no. Click on OK. And then now we're going to put in yes. We're going to put a conditional branch. I'm going to choose variable. I'm going to have, click down here, cash in bank is less than variable withdraw. And what this is going to do, it's going to look for if cash in bank, if the amount that's in the bank is less than what you've asked to withdraw. Click on OK. And we're going to put in that if it's true, if the amount you want to withdraw is greater than the amount you want in the cash bank, we'll put in a text. You don't have enough funds. You don't have enough funds. Click on insert. Now we're going to use jump to label. Make sure you spell this exactly the same as you did the label up there. Withdraw, withdraw. Okay, now we're going to go to the else. Now this is going to be if the cash in bank variable is less than the amount you want to withdraw. Click on insert, because then this is going to actually accept the amount that you want to take out and give it to you. I'm going to type in text here. Thank you. Okay, insert a new text. You took out. Again, put the same bit of coding from the actual withdrawal there. So it's V4 for me. Make sure you pick the number for the actual variable. Make sure you don't mess that bit up, because that will stop it from working. Now we're going to change gold, and we're going to increase it on the variable withdraw. So that's going to give the player the amount of gold in withdraw. Insert, control variables, select cash in bank, Okay. Subtract variable withdraw. Okay. And now, well, we'll leave that one for a moment. So that's that. That's the withdraw done. That should work perfectly now, but we can't do anything more until deposit is done. So we'll do deposit and then we'll test it. Just grab a quick drink here. Okay, let me swap to my other sheet so I don't forget anything. Okay, we're going to put in, select the deposit area, click on show text. I'm going to put, how much do you want to deposit? Click on OK. We're going to again do an input number, but this time we're going to base it on deposit, which is variable number 3 to me. Make sure you remember which variable number it is for that. Digits 6 again. Click on OK. Insert. Show text. You want to deposit. Whoops. Slash B. Open square bracket. Number of the variable for deposit. Close bracket. Question mark. Insert, show choices, yes, no. Insert, on yes, conditional branch, variable, cash in hand, greater than, deposit. Oh no, sorry, it's the other way around, it's deposit, greater than, cash in hand. Click on OK. So that's asking that if the amount you want to deposit is more than the cash you've actually got in your hand. Click on OK. Okay, and if it's true, we want to do the negative thing again. We say you don't have enough cash. Oh, one thing I did forget. Click on the text here where you've put how much you want to deposit at the start of the deposit. Right click on it, insert. I'm going to put label deposit. And that just makes it so that that event goes above the one you've selected. Because I forgot to do the label. You don't have enough cash, insert, jump to label, deposit. Click on else. And this is actually going to give you the cash. On the else, just put in thank you. Okay. Ooh. Text. You deposited /v number of the variable for deposit. Close. I know I keep saying that, but don't forget it. Click on insert. After that, put, now do change gold, decrease, variable, deposit. Click on OK. Click on OK. Insert. After that, control variables, cash in bank, add, variable, deposit. That's going to add what you've put in the deposit into the cash in bank. Okay. Click on OK. And then that's done for that. Now on to balance. Balance is pretty simple. What you want to do is go into text and put in your balance is /fee open square bracket number for the cash in bank, which you will find right there. For your cash in bank, it's variable number 2 for me. It could be anything for you. Close square bracket, then that's that. And then there you go. That's the bank done. Okay, click on apply, then OK. Now I'm just going to make a quick chest here. Quick event creation, treasure chest, gold. I'm going to put in 10,000 here. Click on OK. Right, let's play test it. Hopefully this has gone perfectly fine. Okay, let's open this chest. Let's get 10,000 gold out. There's 10,000 gold. Look at the bank. How may I help you? Right, balance is 0. That's what I expected it to see. Now let's deposit. How much do you want to deposit? Let's put in 7,000. Yep. Thank you. You deposited 7,000. So if I enter there, I've got 3,000 left. Let's try and deposit now 4,000. You want to deposit 4,000. You don't have enough cash. Okay, so now I'm just going to select 0. And I've still got the 3,000 there. So let's come into now here again. Balance. Your balance is 7,000. Brilliant. Now let's withdraw 4,000 of it. Yep, thank you. You took out 4,000. Let's come into here. I've now got 7,000. Let's come back. Balance. Your balance is 3,000, which is what it should be. Now we're going to try and withdraw 5,000. You don't have enough funds. How much do you want to withdraw? 3,000. And I'm back up to the 10,000 there. And like I said at the beginning, there is no limit to this. You can leave the area, you can save the game and come back, and everything will be just as it was left. So that is how to do that. One thing that you can do is at the end of the actual transaction, you could put a you could put a label up here at the beginning of the choices, saying like bank. Then at the end of the actual transactions, you could put a jump to label bank, and it'll take you straight back to this beginning bit, so you can do more if you need to. But that is how to make a bank. Please remember, again, with these variable coding, put the number relevant to the one which I've instructed you to do. Don't mess it up, because it can be a nightmare to troubleshoot. If you do have any problems with it, then what I recommend you do is send me an email telling me that something's gone wrong, or send me a personal message. Take a screen cap of all of this coding, and then also take a screen cap of the variable list, making sure you show the 4 that I've instructed you to. Put them in an email attachment and send me an email to mail@geniusinmotion.co.uk. I'll put the label there. Make sure you do that correctly. Otherwise, just send me that and I'll try to help you as much as I can from there. But this is my first ever advanced variable tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you. My name is Genius in Motion, and I'll see you next time.